Good morning, fifth graders. Welcome to our fantasy lesson called Learning Alongside the Main Character. One thing that happens in harder fantasy is that often the author tries to help the reader by providing information through the mouths of the characters. So you'll note, for instance, that a character might ask about a legend or some historical incident, and an experienced reader knows to think, aha, I'm supposed to pay attention here. Anytime that one character describes some incident or legend or history, you are supposed to learn about it too. Tutmos tells Lucy about Narnia. Gandalf tells Frodo about the history of the Ring of Power. Dumbledore tells Harry about Voldemort's history. Alert readers sit up at these times and take note. Or sometimes the main character has a dramatic learning experience. The main character comes away with new realizations. As readers, we are supposed to get these realizations as well. We are on the same learning curve as the main character. Today, I want to teach you that in complicated stories such as fantasy novels, often the main characters begin without a lot of knowledge, and they have a steep learning curve. As alert readers, when the main character is told important information or has dramatic new experiences, you can see those moments as opportunities for you to learn hand in hand with the main character. Boys and girls, what you're seeing on the screen are three of the most common ways that the author will provide information for the character, so the character is learning. But these are also very important moments where you, as the reader, learn right alongside the main character. So the first one is direct questions and answers. So if we think about the thief of always, you want to pay attention to when Harvey asks a question and really pay close attention to what answer he gets from a different character because that information is there to help you. The author has put in that clue to get you thinking about something. Anytime that a character explains something to Harvey or tells Harvey a story, you really want to put your listening ears on because that's another moment where the author is trying to help you learn something or clue you in. Also, when Harvey experiences something brand new or different, and he's sharing what he's seeing or what he's thinking or what he's feeling, those are learning moments for the character, but also for you, and they help you put the puzzle pieces of the story together. So, as you are reading your book club book, Button Hill, be on the lookout for these learning moments for characters and make sure that you use that notes feature where you can kind of record some of your thinking and make some predictions based on the information that is provided to you this way. That's it for today. Happy reading. I look forward to our discussion.